Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. One of my subscriber requests me to do a video for cable tray designing, meaning size designing. So normally when you want to design, meaning make sizing, cable tray designing is a very important thing. Is sizing, you have to know which cable you are using. So there's many type of cable. So if you type cable type, you will find too many cables. Uh, Meaning cable type of four core cable type. Let's stay because four core is normally for the using for three-phase cables. Like type 4C cable. If you go image, you can see many type of cable here you see. So mostly we use this one, XLPE, meaning cross-linked polyethylene cable. And whatever your cable use, you have to know the catalog. So normally I am working in Qatar. Normally we use Doha cable. So I will type Doha cable. Okay. So if you type Doha cable, there's many. We need Doha cable catalog actually PDF. So here you have some document, meaning catalog for the cables. So you need this one to calculate the. Uh, let's type catalog PDF. So you need the catalog to design the size the cable tray. So let's go with this one. Open link. Okay, okay. This is the cable. When you cut the cable, you will see something like this. So we need a length from here to here. So if you see here, there's a table. You can see here some related cable, but we need actually here. So this is nominal cross area. Okay, 10, 16, 25. Actually, this is a cable size. So we say for core 10, for core 16, 25, 35, 50, something like that. I think this is 4 core cable. Mm, yeah, 4 core cable. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So single and multi-core cable. Okay. So what we need this one. Approximate overall diameter. This is what we want. Okay. So this is 10, meaning this each one is 10. So 4 core 10 meaning 10 cable, 10 milli square cable actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's in 4 core 10. So we will mention 4 core 10 too. So we have to take this size. This size is the important. So let's say I have cables. Text. So I have 4 core by 10 equal to 2 cables. So I have for 10 two cables and I have for 50 two cables. Let's say 50. And let's say I have for 240 two cables. Let's say this I have what I have. Okay. So I have to take the overall dia. So let's for 10 how much I have overall dia. 21.1. So let's copy this one. 21.1. Then I have for 50, meaning this one, 26.2. So this is 26.2. Then I have for 240, meaning this one, 38.5. So 38.5. Okay, I think 240, 38.5. So we can do some thumb calculation. Okay, let's select the calculator. So I have to cable 21.1. 21.1 into 2, meaning 42.2. Okay, so let's type that now. 42.2. So if I have 26.2 into 2, 52.4. 52.4. Let's go 38.5 into 2. 77. Okay, so let's calculate on 42.2 plus 52.4 plus 77 plus. So we will multiple into 2 into 2. 343.2. So I will take it this one here. How much I have? 343.2. Okay. Then I will multiply this one 342 point how much? 2 into point 2. 68.44. 68.44. This is 20% from the total cable. 68.44. Okay. So plus 343.2. So I am getting 400 and so this is calculation total because this is the cables. I will explain one by one. 411.64. 411.64. Okay. So this one is overall dia for each cable. Okay. So I have 4 core by 10 2. So I multiple into 2. So this is 2 cable, 42.2. Okay. So I did same. This is one cable 26.2. I have 2. So I have multiplied this one into 2. So what I did, I total this all. Total meaning 42.2 plus 52.4 plus 77. So 171.6. This is only cable dia. So I keep each cable dia one space, same cable space. I will explain you in the drawing also. So this is into multiple into 2. So 343.2. This is the 343.2. So I need 20% spare space. So multiple into 2 meaning 68.64. Yes, that's all. 64. So this is a spare. So I calculate both 343.2. So 411.84. So this one, if you make one Excel sheet, it is easy to understand. So this is the size of cable tray you need to run this cable. This is a just not 100% correct, but almost 99% correct. So let's draw. Okay. So let's make a line. So this is calculating by drawing method. So let's make a circle. Dia 21.1. Okay, let's go down. DLI. So double click. So you see 21.1. So when I'm placing this one, let's make this a little bigger. I will keep this one here first. So it's your choice. Either you're going with the small to big or big to small. So for me, I am going from big to small. So let's go with the 240. So circle D 38.5. So this is a bigger one. So let's place here, and this one detail increase. I will touch this one into here, and I will another cable add another another. Okay. So why this is the first space, this is the second space, and I need another. Okay. So the second cable, 26.2. So C D 26.2. So I will change the color to magenta, and I will place this one here, and let's go down. Okay. So this one no need. I will place another one, another one. So this one no need. Then I will go with another cable tray for 10 D 21.1. So this one I will make green. So let's move this one. I will keep it here. So delete. So I need another one and another one. And this one colors. Okay. Now I have two. This is the spacing method. I have 2 by 240, 2 by 50, 2 by 10. So let's move this one. Now I am going to take the total from here to here. So double click, you have 360.60. But here you see I got 343.2. So this is just I didn't draw, I make small calculation, I got the value. So here how much I have? 360.60. So 360.60 into zero point 0.2. So I need, so 360.6 into zero point 0.2. So I need another space 72.12. So let's draw 72.12. So this is the actual cable tray size we need, including 20% spare. So what is the size here? DLI, you have 432.72. So let's go here, 432 point, how much? 72. Okay. So when you draw, this is spacing. This is the space. I will type here. Space. 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 This one space. 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 This one is spare. So it's almost going very similar. So either you can calculate your designing cable, you can calculate the size of the cable tray like this or like this method. It's very easy. You will take the cable tray cable size and you will multiple with the quantity and you will double it. So this one I didn't put how much count calculator. Calculator. Okay. That's right thing. Okay. 42.2 plus 52.4 plus 77. 171.6, I think. 171.6. 171.6. So into 2, 343. So first, I took the cable size and I multiple into 2. So I took the actual cable size quantity. With how many cable you have to multiple with the cable size. Then total, this one into multiple into 2, so 343. And I multiple point 0.2, that means spare and total. This is what I got it. And this is after drawing. By drawing, I got this one. So almost similar. So what cable size we can go? Cable tray 450 by 100. This is depend what you have in the market. So how we will know the sizes of the cable tray? So you will go cable trays catalog. Okay. So this one, let's open this one. Okay. I need PDF. Okay, let's size cable tray sizes. Okay. Okay, if you go image, you will see some sizes not visible. Okay, let's go this one. Yes, this one sizes. So this is 50 by 50, 100 by 50. Okay, will tray specification. Okay, this one up to 300. There is some cable tray we have up to 900. So let's close this one. We can go with this. Which depend in Qatar market we have up to 1 meter. This is one kind of size. 50, 100, 150, 200, 300, 450, 600. There is some sizes up to 900. So you can find in the cable trade catalog. This is up to 800. So here we have 400. This depend on the company. So we can go with the 450. You can check the catalog, cable tray catalog sizes. So I will go with the 450 by 100. So the cable tray size which I need. Okay. Let's copy this one. This is the cable tray size what we need. Okay, the next we sometime we will when we are designing the cable tray, they call this one. Let's make this text bigger. 20. No, let's go with 5. When we hit 0, okay, close. So this one called by 2D. Yes, 2D meaning you are taking half dia from here, half dia from here. So it become 1D. The space is 1D. That's why some people, how you make spacing, they ask in the interview. Normally we say 2D, 2D spacing. This 2D spacing meaning this one. And some people say 1D. So they will ask what you mean 1D meaning you have to describe what you mean. One dia. This is 1D. Actually, this is not 1D. 1D meaning, 2D meaning you will take full dia space. Actually, this is 1D meaning. This is 1D. Let's go DCO. This is half D. 1/2D. And this is another half D. So it's become 2D. This is total 2D. If you meaning 2D, this is the spacing. If you tell 1D, there's another type 1D. Let's copy this one again. I will copy this, copy here, and here. This is meaning 1D, no, not this 1D. 1D meanings, sorry, half D. That meaning this is one and this is one. Let's go this here. So this is half D, 1 slash 2, 1 slash 2, 1 slash 2. So this is half D spacing. This is called half D spacing. Okay. This is 2D space. 2D meaning this is 1D, 1 day space, and half here, that is called 2D. Actually, this is 1.5. So you are taking the half from here, and one half. So it's actually 1.5D. But normally, some interview people tell half the dia, meaning half dia of the cable tray spacing. And it's depend. Some company asks, some interviewer asks, what is spacing? How much spacing you are using? If you say 1 day space, if you tell like that, that means you are telling this one. If you say half day space, that means you are telling this one. If you say 2D, meaning you have to describe cable center to cable center 2D. Or better you go with the 1D space or half D space directly. You'd have to mention the space, not just say 1D, just mention 1D space, half D space. So if you go with the half D space, the cable tray size will be lesser. So instead of 450, you will use this half D spacing. So you can cover up this cable with 300 cable tray. That meaning here now L sizes. So the place to place, company to company, country to country, cable tray sizes can be different. So it's you have to look at the cable tray catalog. Otherwise, problem because one company did one work, they are using 450. Another company they don't have 450, they have 400. So you have to check which size they are using. So which company, and you have to take the company catalog. Just now I saw size. I think this one. No. Okay. Actually, we have 300 cable tray sizes. GI cable tray size. Let's go with the GI. I think this is the one size. Okay. Here, this one. We can use these sizes. So you can go with the 300. See, this one not have 450. Okay, this is height. This depend also what height you are using. One company I work with 50 mm, and now I am working in one company they are using 100 mm. So it's depend. So these are the size. So you have to take the catalog sizes. Okay, so you can go with the 300 if you are using half D. I hope you understand how to calculate the cable tray sizes. So when we are going the reducer, let's say this two cable reducing anyhow somewhere because terminator, then the next size will be anyhow some like 300. You can go, you can calculate this one, how much I have. DLI from here to here, 271. So let's calculate 271 into 0.254 plus 271 approximate. So still it's coming 325. So you can manage with the 300 because it's a 25 mm. You can go with the 300. It's depend how consultant agree. Okay. So this one can be 300 by 100. So I hope you understand how to calculate the cable tray. If you not understand, watch the video again and again. So you will know how to calculate the cable tray size. And you know this is when you draw cable tray like this, when the smaller size come, okay, it will be like this. Reducer, something like this. So 450 here, 300 years. I know you, I hope you know already how to draw the cable tray. So this is the way to calculate the cable tray size. So if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.